Hello friends, I am back again with another style video, and here is me clasping one of the 15 clasps on the back of this bra. This is a fun little cage bra that I like to wear. It's actually not itchy like some of the other cage bras are, and I like that it's very strappy. These are my high-waisted pants by Hell Bunny. They're very, very comfortable. I'm starting to find in my old age that I'm appreciating comfort over fashion, and wearing super tight clothes just isn't my jam anymore. So this shirt is also by Hell Bunny. It's a little Ouija board print. It's got like snakes and hands and little Ouija board planchettes on it. And sometimes I mess up my lipstick when I pull a tight shirt over my head. I like that it's see-through. That's the reason why I wore this little cage bra underneath it, so that you can kind of see the bra. It looks a little sassy. I don't like to really show my stomach, so that's why I like to wear high-waisted things with cropped tops. And oops, there's still a tag on there. Gotta cut that off when I get a chance. These earrings actually I got at a vintage market. I have no idea who makes them, but they match this shirt perfectly. They almost have like the same little print on them that the shirt has, and the shirt also has snakes, so couldn't have been planned better. This is a little wand holding hand necklace. The only problem with this necklace, it's so sharp. The little wand at the end is very pokey. I will be crediting everything I'm wearing in the description below, so if you want to know what I'm wearing, check the description for sure. And necklaces sometimes are hard to get on when you have fingernails, but here is my little doodad. See, you can see the little wand is poking through my shirt. This is another little necklace with little crosses on it, and I am trying to figure out how it clasps before I'm actually doing it behind my neck. I don't know why I don't do these in front, but it's just the way it has to be done. And of course, after you put your necklaces on, you have to primp a little. I always mess up my hair after I put my necklaces on, so a little zhuzh gets me back in the game. These shoes they're not shoes at all, they're boots. I love these boots. I'm sad to actually cover the little loopy on them, but I love them because they don't have zippers. They just stretch a little bit and you just pop your foot right in. The thing with these pants is they are very long, so you definitely need to wear some sort of heel, and I am not trying to suffer for fashion, so I'm just wearing a chunky boot because they're still comfortable, but they actually let the pants hit just at the right height, the right length on the floor. So here is my finished look. I hope you guys are enjoying these style videos. I really like making them, so let me know if you want to keep seeing my style ideas. My style has kind of evolved over the years, so I'm kind of trying to show you the new grown-up Cherry Dollface.